So one method of doing a quick course adjustment for setting the beat is to place a piece of tape in the back of the clock where the pendulum is. Mark the centre point where the pendulum hangs naturally, and then mark the left and right points at which it ticks, which is there and there. And as you can see, it's a little off. It ticks more to the right than it does to the left, which means in this case this clock would be a little out of beat. So we adjust the beat by reaching around the back of the clock and adjusting the crutch so that it works on an even part, so the anchor escapement works on an even part of the escape wheel tooth. Here's the pendulum suspended from the top block and the crutch. The crutch leads to the anchor escapement and the anchor escapement's arbor. What we're attempting to do here is to change the position of the anchor escapement in relationship to the escape wheel tooth. So we can do this by twisting the anchor escapement on its arbor to achieve an in-beat condition. In most cases the anchor escapement is frozen on the arbor, and to achieve an in-beat condition you have to bend the crutch rod. When you're making a clock in beat, you're going to be listening to the tick and the tock. What you can hear here is an even tick and tock. So this is pretty much in beat. Let's make it out of beat by bending and that's an extreme example of something being out of beat. Both the tick and the tock happen towards my side of the swing. Bending the crutch rod would put that in beat. Now it's a more even tick and tock, and that is what you would consider to be in beat. Not enough again. That's good. When we look at this now, it takes evenly about the center point. But more importantly, it sounds right.